Electrical and computer engineering technology here at Penn State Behrend is unique. Students get to learn microprocessors, computer programming, PLCs and factory automation, data acquisition systems, all with faculty that have industry experience. They can relate the problems to real-world experience, and students get to work in the lab using state-of-the-art equipment. When you see the word technology, it doesn't mean less engineering. It means more lab work, more hands-on projects, less emphasis on math, more real-world applications. They learn to design, debug, implement, and document their results. They figure out why things work, why they don't work, and they gain lifelong skills that they will need to use in industry. ECET students are prepared to take on a variety of jobs. They are in high demand as they can take their skills and design circuits, test components, and analyze results. Some work in sales, purchasing, or marketing departments. We have students taking design jobs at Robusys, field engineering jobs at Northrop, and sales jobs at Lutron, just to name a few. Electrical and computer engineers have designed devices and machines that you use every day. When you wake up each morning, your alarm clock has a microcontroller circuit that could have been designed by an ECET engineer. With a degree in electrical and computer engineering technology from Behrend, the job possibilities are endless. Companies from across the nation seek out our graduates.